Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'm making this video especially for my students. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create shaft in Revit. So here you can see I'm going to level 1 and I'm going to be drawing a floor. Okay, let's draw one floor. Finish. Go to 3D. So I have one single floor. I'm going to copy. Here I have to copy to clipboard, and I'm going to place. I'm going to be pasting in the second level. So I'm going to select align to second level, select and say OK. So here you can see I have two floors. Shafts are used usually to create vertical opening. Here you can see in the architecture, if I go to opening, you can see shaft opening. Shaft opening, here you can read Revit is playing the help video. So creates vertical opening that spans multiple level, cutting through intervening roofs, floors and ceiling. So this shaft will not cut any columns, beams. It will cut only floor, ceiling and roof. Okay, and it will not cut any walls, so that we should keep it in mind. It will not cut any foundation, so we should keep them in mind. So this is actually helps to create shaft and shaft only. Okay, so here I'm going to be showing you how to do that. So I'm going to level 1. Let's keep two views. Okay, let's keep, so I have 3D, level 1 and one elevation. Okay, so I'm in level 1. I'm going to architecture. Here opening, I'm taking shaft, and here you can see you can draw boundary or you can draw symbolic line. Symbolic line will be visible on your drawing. Boundary is the actual profile of your shaft. Okay, so here you can choose any of the tools to draw your shaft. So I'm taking a rectangle. Here I'm going to zoom in a little bit and then I'm drawing a rectangle. So here you can see this is your shaft. It should be a closed loop, and I'm going to say OK. So you can see in the 3D, here you can see this is cutting both the floor. So in the property bar you can see base constraint -150 and the top unconnected, it is giving with some height. You can tell like level 2 to, so 200 mm offset above. So now also it will be cutting both the floors. Basically it should cross, otherwise it won't cut. If we keep it till here, you can see the base floor, now it is not cutting. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you how to edit the profile. So select the shaft, go to edit sketch, and here you can modify the shaft. Basically you can delete any of the line and you can add line and say yes, finish. So now you can see the shape got changed. Shape is changed. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you what is a symbolic line. Symbolic line basically to represent in the drawing. So here you can see I'm drawing a line, so I can draw these lines. I'm going to say finish. So here you can see, so this cross line will be appearing in your drawing, so that is indicating your shaft. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.